Today we will learn computer basics. This is lesson 1. What is hardware, software and information technology? In the figure it is a typical computer setup. This is hardware, and in figure you will see Word, Microsoft Word. This is example of software. Typical computer system comprises of two components. Number 1, hardware, and number 2, software. What we can do with computer? With computer, we can write letters, browse the internet, send an email message and check the email message. We can play games, we can visit social media, we can see videos, we can see news and information, and we can calculate our budget. But there are many more uses of a computer. We can use computer in many more ways. We will discuss it later on, inshallah. Secondly, we will discuss the parts of a computer. The hardware parts of a computer. Hardware, what we can see, it called hardware. The components of a computer system, of a computer hardware, it's mainly comprises of CPU or central processing unit, and monitor or LCD or LED, and a keyboard and a mouse and speakers and printer. Basically, hardware have two categories. Number 1, input device. Number 2, output device. The CPU is the processing device. This is the main brain of computer system. With mouse and keyboard, we give instructions to computer, like we type A, B, C or any letter. With keyboard, it sends information to the CPU, and CPU or the box or case process this information with the help of operating system and software. Operating system, it is like a pilot or a driver that drives a computer hardware, like Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 or Unix, Linux and many other operating systems that drive the hardware. So the operating system is a software that controls the computer. When we type in any software or through our keyboard in a software like Microsoft Word or any other software, typing software, that software made by any company like Microsoft or any other company, that software helps us to save the file. It helps in formatting, designing of that text. Many kinds of software like graphic designing, composing, typing. You can type in various languages like Urdu, English, Punjabi, Persian, Hindi and almost any language of the world. Then we can see the information what we type through keyboard. The CPU display the information on our monitor or LCD or LED screen, or in some case projector, and then we can save our data, our record, our typing in a file, and we can print that file. So there are 3 basic types of a system of computer. Number 1, input devices, mouse. Number 1, mouse, keyboard, that are input devices. And secondly, the processing device, the CPU or case or the box. And then finally, we have the output devices. With output devices, we can see the information on the screen. We can print it on ordinary paper, or we can send file to any other media like internet. So this is our first lecture. In the first lecture, we have discussed the basic types of hardware and software. I hope you understand. In the next lecture, we will discuss these things in detail. Thank you.